Yaba China, oh, Yaba China. This is to all the Fofoofo family. Guys, Munim say I got 3 months. So October, November, December. Now you do Christmas. You do Christmas season. So ana ya edwadifo bebre then ekra omunyama from China to Ghana. Into uye edwadini na opese unyama no edru Ghana in Temwa. This is the time for you to buy your stuff. Into Fofo, we are currently in China. Into you be now per se you talk unyama from your suppliers. Near the bedroom Ghana Mawa. This is the time we'll be able to do it for you. And as I per se your day mutual supplier ka nyakafa unyama near the container mu ediba Ghana Mawa. This is the time we'll be able to do it for you. Whether a whole 1 foot 40-foot container, 3, 4, 5 containers, and now unyama in a CBM will be able to do it for you. All right, and see in this video, no, remember your brother Bernard actually how we handle your goods in our warehouse in China. We have 2 warehouses. Your warehouse big goods echo and more per consolidation. Say you're doing Yemen good 1 container more abroad. We have another warehouse for that. And to say if you are watching this video now, for your talk unyama and you're doing good container move from China to Ghana Mawa. This is the time. I'll hand over to Bernard now.
Hi guys, good morning. As we promised you guys, we are on our way to our warehouse. I'm going to review how our operation is across what China has sent in case if you are on how we're doing. First, when first receive our packaging in our warehouse, right there. I'll reveal every process to use. Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, into Bernard, Nyamiadum withdrew warehouse was safely. Big shout out to Bernard. Say, what to know is you say, Fofoofo Imports, getting to this end of Christmas, Obeko China, and we're making sure, say, Munyama Mudi fire so abenino, Obe verify na Unsaka Unyama safely. Yeah, into warehouse na mu guys, into this warehouse, and you say, Nyamane going in air Ghana. This warehouse on Nyamani be air called other African countries. Entina Samoba na ye the shipping mark no emamwa. I was making sure say mo shipping mark no said ye the no matro the same thing ama supplier. Now supplier so I then actually the exact same thing. And yes sir, a mejuma no ayeding. A mejuma ni yeding pa because a bedroom warehouse was na shipping mark ni bibia clear him said nyama we no Ghana na yeding. Yedi eba. Na one tro shipping mark ni ye won't say a kofra afufro nyama. Yes, sir, na ema ejumano ayedin. Ana warehouse on obia aye busy. Forklift demo. Or more use pallet jack so enemo. Or more shisha manfo nyama so enemo. Or more mu taking note of shipping marks. Said you busa, which like I say nyamano. Yen saka ewe ye warehouse no. Almost yeden or mu ye or mu ejuma. Just saying it here. Intuition nyamano ye groupie into customers. Inti se wodo nyama ba na ye groupino amount inti ye loadi ani unse nyama no ya loadi eweden ewo ye contain mu amount ana mamefa akwanya we so na mean explain bibi kakra wa ha ebu hana obana ye de ebia ka se 1 cbm so and so dollars so be ka say na adena 1 cbm mum ebo full as compared to product less than 1 cbm. Unse se product no 1 cbm eno ehu adwuma no enhye da enye ya cause e buy nim so okay product we na 1 cbm nti no sa na ye groupie nti ya wose de koshe container mu nim say ya fan in term e de akoshe container ba wo hwe de oye adwuma wa na e mo product ne den e less than 1 cbm ehu adwuma no e de mpa ye cause se package no eba nkitenkete a e wose ye taking note of all the packages and send a groupie and send a shape it. Until we have another service. That service, or more person you consolidating munyama, your group munyama, and on the back of a different warehouse. It will work our or bellboy munyama, not or you go 1 sack mu. Sunny about this main warehouse there then, not your shape it amamo. Remember, I'll just end here. Just enjoy the video. Video way there. Yeah. Say yeah, but who they roll amamo. Number who say I Fofoofo ship here Christmas goods. So percent on second product, before Christmas. This is the time you need to contact us. Say a bit to me. I ship it on Yamano Iodine. A free China. A dia back Ghana. A mouth fefe. And that's all, guys. So please contact the number on the screen now. Nayam wow. My name is Kwame. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's a bye for now.